Go.
My name is Lisanne Hoefnagels.
Lisanne Hoefnagels.
Hello, my name is Lisanne Hoefnagels from the Netherlands and I'm 13 years old. And I wrote the movie DUIVINDER.
Hi, and I'm Rick, and I'm the director of the film. A film about friendship, connection, and pigeons. And we're bringing this film to life with your support.
We launched a Raffle campaign with Benzing.
And you can actually win fantastic prizes, such as this complete Benzing Set worth of 1,500 euros.
And that's not all.
No, we're also giving away VIP tickets for the official premiere of the film in January 2026, especially for our Benelux audience. So,
get your ticket now! Each ticket costs 20 euros.
Yeah, and 100% of the proceedings go directly to the film. Get your ticket now!
Get your ticket now!
Fly with us.